In this video, I'll show you how to send videos on Discord Mobile. So it's pretty simple. First of all, I'll show you how to send a video on a server, and then I'll show you how to send a video through a DM. So to do it through a DM, you open it up, and then the bottom left, you press on the plus icon, and then that'll load up your gallery. You find the video, and add it, and then tap it, and you should see that it appears above your message. And to send it, you simply press the blue send button, and you'll see that it sends. So to send a video in a server, it's pretty much the same process. You find the channel, and in the bottom left there'll be a plus icon. You add the video and tap it, and then you press send. So that's how to send videos on Discord Mobile. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.